Welcome to a math lesson. Here we have a question for grade 9 candidates who are going to sit for the exams. Use a number line to solve the following integers below. Use the number line to solve the following integers below. And the first one is positive 6 plus negative 4. Positive 6 plus negative 4. But the first thing we are supposed to do is to remove the bracket. How do I remove the bracket? I will say this one will be positive 6 plus negative 4. I have removed the bracket. Negative 6, positive 6 plus negative 4. Then the second thing here, I will work out. This is positive 6, then plus and negative. When the two signs are following each other, a positive and a negative, you multiply the two. So a positive times a negative gives us a negative. So the answer will be negative 4. Then now, get the answer using a number line. That is the question. Using a number line. So I'll come here and draw my number line. Number line. And number line is that way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative, 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 negative. These are positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are positives. The right hand side are positives and the left hand side are negatives. Now I go back to my work here. Positive 6. I go where positive 6 is. All these are negative. We said all these are positives. All these are positives. So I'll go where positive 6 is. Here is positive 6. Put my starting point there. Then minus 4. Anytime you have a number going to the left, that has a negative, you go to the left. Anytime you have a number that is going to the right, you add. That's going to that has a plus, you go to the right. Any number that has a negative, you go to the left. Any number that has a positive, you go to the right. So this one is positive 6. We are here. Here is where we are. Now I want to get the answer. How do you get the answer? We minus 2. So minus 2. So I go to the left. Minus 4, I go to the left. Plus 4, I go to the right. Our question is minus 4. So I go to the left. So I'll come here and say this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And this becomes my answer. So my answer here is positive 2. Plus 6. That's where positive 6 is. Then minus 4, it means I go 4 steps to the left because it's a minus. 4 steps to the left because it's a minus. If it was 4 steps to the right, if it was a plus, then I go 4 steps to the right. But because it's a minus, a negative, I go 4 steps to the left. So our answer here is positive 2. Right? Positive what? 2. Another question is here. Another question is here. Allow me to change this one here to be minus. So I'll come here now and work out this negative. I remove the bracket. Minus negative 4. Then the next step, I write negative 8. Then minus and minus. The two minus are following each other. You multiply the minus times a minus gives us a plus. But a negative times a negative gives us a positive. So positive what? 4. So now I go to the number line to get the answer. Why? Because the question is use a number line to solve the following integers. So I'll draw my number line. This is my number line. Then this is 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, and negative 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are positives. To the right, from 0 to the right, positive. From 0 to the left are negative. These are negatives. So this side are negatives. Negative. So negative side. These are positive side. These are positive side. Negative side. So I have negative 8 plus 4. So I go where negative 8 is on my number line. I can be able to see, oh, this is where my negative 8 is. So this is where I'm going to start from. This is where I'm starting from. Negative 8, I found it. Then plus 4. Plus 4. I said, if it's negative 4, I go to the left. But if it's plus 4 or plus any number, you go to the right. So here is plus 4. So I go where 8 is. Then I go, how many steps to the right? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my answer. So my answer here will be negative 4. Negative 4. So negative 8 plus 4 will give us negative 4. If you do it practically, I say, look at these two sums. Which one is the bigger number between 8 and 4? 8. So it has which side? Negative. Then say 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Because if you do it practically, you get the answer as negative 4. So this is what you call integers. So use those signs and you'll be able to get the answer. Now, we have what you call a way of solving the signs. If we have something like a negative, multiplied by a negative, it gives us a positive. If we have a negative, multiplied by a positive, gives us a negative. We have a positive, multiplied by a negative, it gives us a negative. Then a positive, multiplied by a positive, gives us a positive. So you can use this one here to help you understand more these integer sums. And remember, if it's a multiplication, you can replace with the division and the answer becomes the same. Negative divided by a negative gives us what? Positive. A negative divided by a positive gives a negative. A positive divided by a negative gives a negative. A positive divided by a positive gives us a positive. So you can use this one here and you'll be able to get the right answer. Thank you. Let's meet in the next lesson.